Guys, it's me, Marshall, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing Black Cat firework tanks. They kind of roll, but you can't really see it that well. Look at these wheels. Let me turn my light on just so you can see this. Don't know if you can see it that well, but if you can read that from here. It says, warning, moves on ground, shoots flaming pellets and reports. Use only under close adult supervision for outdoor use only. Do not hold in hand. Place on hard surface, level surface. Light fuse and get away. As you can see inside of it, you can see the fireworks. I don't know how these lights on the end, but this is called Black Cat. Got these in Arizona. Thought they would look cool. And a whole box of them. Like you could put them like as a mini little war, like this. And you have one all set up like that, or probably like this. They're crossing each other and just have a big war. And I got this to Poodle Cracker Snacks. They're just like little regular poppers, but a bit louder. They look like dynamite. But they make a really loud bang. And they're all in some sawdust. But yeah, we're gonna be going outside and lighting these off soon. But if you want to see more for this, I will pause this video and then keep on recording for more. See you guys.